So this is another important gate related problem in metal cutting especially, right? Again in this case the same procedure is repeated, but thing is you have to understand the concept, that is what they have mentioned in the given data, and try to apply your concept in your given problem, so that it is very easy for you to solve the problem. So no matter what is the given data, first you have to write down the given data. That is very important. After write down the given data, then it is very important for you to what formula is applicable, what relation is applicable for those data, sufficient data. That is very important, because we are having various number of relations, especially in the metal cutting, so that it is very important for you to identify what kind of a relation is suitable for this problem. Okay, right. So in this case the diameter value is given, that is d equal to 150 mm, and velocity is given, that is 90 meters per minute, and feed rate is given, that is 0.24 mm per revolution. Here the feed rate is very important, because sometimes the feed rate is also mentioned as uncut chip thickness, that is here T1 is mentioned as uncut chip thickness, and T2 is known as chip thickness. So generally we are having a formula R equal to T1 by T2. T1 is equal to uncut chip thickness and T2 equal to chip thickness. Right, that means here the important point is, whenever you are having a F value, F equal to 0.24 mm per revolution, whenever you are having F equal to 0.24 mm per revolution, that is feed rate is given, it is nothing but your T1 value, that is uncut chip thickness. Next, depth of cut is given, that is 2 mm. Depth of cut is similar as your width value, B value, right? So depth of cut is 2 mm, and your T2 value is chip thickness. Already mentioned you that T2 value is chip thickness. The chip thickness is 0.48 mm. Chip thickness is 0.48 mm. Okay, fine. Now you require to calculate what is the shear angle. Now you require to calculate what is the shear angle. That is how you supposed to calculate. And also mention that rake angle alpha equal to 0 degrees is mentioned in the given problem. Okay, alpha is called as the rake angle, pi is shear angle, beta is the friction angle. Okay, alpha, beta, and you supposed to call as a gamma or pi value, whatever it is, pi or gamma. Alpha is the rake angle, beta is the friction angle, pi is the shear angle. Okay, right. Now try to apply the basic relation, because you try to find out the value of phi. In the earlier class also, whenever you are required to find out the value of shear angle, we are having one relation, that is tan inverse of r cos theta by r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. That is the relation we supposed to use. R cos alpha by, see it is phi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. This is the relation we are used in your previous problem also. That means whenever in a given problem you are required to calculate a shear angle pi value, simply you remember the relation phi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. Okay, very good. Now find out what is the r value here. In the given, this is the formula. First note down the formula, that is very important. Remember the formula, identify the formula that is suitable for your problem. So pi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by minus r sin alpha. Here the alpha value is already given in the given data itself. Alpha equal to 0 degrees. Now what about r value? R value here is, r is the chip thickness ratio. R is called as the chip thickness ratio, and those chip thickness ratio formula is T1 by T2. Uncut chip thickness to the chip thickness. Uncut chip thickness to the chip thickness. R equal to T1 by T2. Uncut chip thickness to the chip thickness. Uncut chip thickness to the chip thickness. R equal to T1 by T2. Okay? Okay, fine. So 0.24 by 0.48, that is 0.5. Right? 0.24 value, that is already given. That is feed rate. That is thickness, uncut chip thickness. And chip thickness value is 0.48. So R value equal to 0.5. Simply 1 by 2 equal 0.5. Now substitute this R value in the given relation. Phi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. So pi equal to 26.56 degrees. Here is the answer is shear angle. Shear angle pi equal to 26.56. It is as simple as that. Very simple. This is 2 marks question, especially in a GATE examination. This is a 2 mark question, right? Is there any difficulty while you are solving the problem? There is no difficulty. Just simple remember the formula. Almost all the formulas in a metal cutting are related with these relations, especially maximum relations are based on your alpha, beta and pi values, or otherwise you may have the pi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha, something like that, right? While you are solving the problem, you may experience what kind of a relation you are supposed to use. It is obtained by practicing only, okay, right? So in this case it is very very important. Only thing is just note down the given data and apply your given relation according to your requirement. That is what is to be found out. Based on those things you can apply your relations, okay? So this is very 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 important problem for 2 marks question, especially in a GATE examination, especially in metal cutting, okay? Okay, thank you. So second problem in the metal cutting. So here in this case the given data is first note on the given data. That means here I am explaining the only given data. Why? Because means I am not write down the problem, because whenever you are having you are experiencing this kind of data, how you supposed to apply the problem is very very important. Understanding the problem is also very very important, but the thing is, in my point of view, it is very very important for you whenever you are having these kind, because understanding the given data is very very important rather than reading of the given data. Once you know, write down the given data, then only you came to know what kind of a relation is suitable for those problem is to be identified. So that is the reason why I every time noted down the given data, and I also try to explain the what is the actual to be find out. So according to that you analyze yourself how you supposed to solve the problem, right? So in this case the uncut chip thickness, the term mentioned here is uncut chip thickness. Uncut chip thickness is T1. Uncut chip thickness T1. T1 equal to 1 mm. That is thickness T1 equal to 1 mm. And rake angle is alpha. Alpha is 7 degrees. Rake angle alpha is 7 degrees. And chip thickness T2 equal to 2.5 mm. Chip thickness T2 equal to 2.5 mm. Now phi, what is the phi value? Phi is the shear angle. Very good. What is beta? Beta is a friction angle. Okay, right. Now you yourself understand that whenever you are having this data, uncut chip thickness is given, right? Uncut chip thickness value is given, and chip thickness value is given, and rake angle value is given, okay, right? Understand carefully. T1, T2, alpha. Only 3 parameters are known parameters here. Based on that you are required to find out your shear angle. Shear angle is pi and beta is the friction angle, right? If you understand, I mean if you try to find out of these values, one should know the Merchant's theory formula. That is 2phi plus beta minus alpha equal to 90 degrees. That is our Merchant's theory. Same here also in this case directly mentioned that you try to use Merchant's theory. In the problem itself they mentioned that using Merchant's theory. That means the data is given, and in the given data itself they asked us you please use the Merchant's theory. But so whenever you are using Merchant's theory, half of the problem is over directly. No need to worry, very very easy. First note using Merchant's theory. So write down what is Merchant's theory. Merchant's theory is 2phi plus beta minus alpha, right? That is the Merchant's theory we are having normally. So 2phi plus beta minus alpha equal to 90 degrees. That is your Merchant's theory. First write down the Merchant's theory formula. That is the first step. Now in the second step, now it is very very important for you. Identify the terminology in your Merchant's theory. That is, what is pi, what is beta, and what is alpha. Is there any relation or is there any values that is mentioned in your given data? Okay, fine. Now phi is the shear angle. Shear angle is required to be determined. Okay, leave it. Now what about beta? Beta is the friction angle. Friction is also, friction angle is also supposed to be determined in the given relation. Now alpha is the rake angle. Alpha is the rake angle. Okay, very good. Alpha value is given. Alpha is equal to 7 degrees. Rake angle is given as 7 degrees. So out of 3 unknowns, only one is the known parameter, remaining 2 are the unknown parameter. If 2 unknown parameters are there, it is difficult to find out the problem. Phi is unknown and beta value is also unknown. Right. Now, if these things are appearing in your examination, now you try to identify in other way. Where is there another is there other way to find out the value of pi or beta according to your given data? That is very, very important. That is, you have to be understand. That means you please observe that in this case, chip thickness T1 value is given and T2 value is also given and alpha value is given. Now based on by using of these relation, is there any possibility? Is there any possibility for finding out the is there any possibility for finding out the value of your what we called phi value or beta value? There is a possibility. What is the possibility? You are having a pi formula, that is shear angle formula. You are already having. You already solved in your previous case also. What is the formula? Pi equal to, right? What is the formula? Pi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. Pi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. This is the relation. Already we solved so many problems based on this phi value. That means already phi in the given relation 2 phi plus beta minus alpha equal 90 degrees. Phi value is also known, alpha value is also known. Then automatically you require a beta value. Now try to determine phi value here. Phi value formula is tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. Here again, what is r value? R is the chip thickness T1 by T2. Alpha value is 7 degrees. Now find out the substitution r equal to T1 by T2. T1 value is given, chip thickness, uncut chip thickness by chip thickness. T1 by T2. T1 by T2 equal to 1 by 2.5, that is 0.4. Fine, over. R value is 0.4. Once you know the R value, substitute in the given relation pi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. Substitute in the relation. Then you will get pi value. What is the pi value here? 22.65. Once if you determine the value of pi, or once you know the value of pi, then please substitute in the Merchant's theory. What is the Merchant's theory? 2 phi plus beta minus alpha equal to 90 degrees. Then automatically the beta value is 51.690. Your beta value is 51.690. This is how you supposed to solve your problem. This is how you supposed to solve the problem. Very, 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 very easiest problem. Right? So this is one of the linked answer question. That means each answer, each question carries 2 marks. So that you will get 4 marks if you solve like this. You will solve like this, you will get 4 marks. Right? No need to write down all these things, but for your explanation only I am giving in detail relation. What is r value? R equal to T1 by T2 and pi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha 1 minus r sin. All these things can be calculated easily for you. Right? So it is very, very easy and it is very, very important, especially in your examination, metal cutting chapter especially. You will have various number of questions, various number of model, not different models, but understanding is very, very important. Right? Here in the previous problem we are using the same relation. In this case also we are using the same relation. There is nothing new. Only thing is changing data. Data is to be changed. According to that you apply your formula. That is very, very important. So pi equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. Right? Only thing is Merchant's theory. Merchant's theory is also a very well known formula. 2 phi plus beta minus alpha equal to 90 degrees. A very, 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 very well known relation. Right? The only thing is just remember the formulas and try to apply the formulas into your given data. That is the only thing you have to do, and you will get automatically you will score more marks, especially when you are having these kind of questions in your examination. Okay, so hope you understand. And in the next class also we try to solve a different, not different, I mean you are not having any different what we call formulas, not much big formulas you are having, right? Just only simple formulas, but understanding is very, very important. Okay.